have space here on my phone to record this. I've missed my entry. I just quickly want to make use of it before it goes off. So I may have to wait a bit for a pullback. I don't have space on this phone, so I'm trying to just make a very fast recording. So I'll just wait a bit. I'll be right back. Okay, I think I can take it like this. Now, actually, my signal have been already up and over, so I just wanted to quickly make use of it before it's gone. Now, this is 10%, $50 to make $5. Now, I think I should also show you some of the other trades I've done with this. It is important you know that everybody can do this. Anybody can do trade even with our signal service. You can be making $13 for $5 just like this. Okay, so these are the three trades I had to do just now, and that's $15. Okay, I think I can pick one more to make it $20. So with one more trade, I can get to make it $20 profit. Wow, that one didn't move very fast as expected, so I'll have to wait for that anyway. Okay, that's the trade there. It has pulled through, so that's another $5. So all I just have made in essence is like $20. I had about $74 before I started this. Think I made some transaction. Okay, withdraw. This was my value that I had, 74. So I just made $20 with $50. You need to understand, is it possible for you to do this as well? Yes, anybody can do this. $20, it's like 9,000 plus. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. So these are the trades. You can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these were done with my signal service. Because I'm not getting this on this, what's it called? Let me just quickly show you. I'm looking at it from the laptop. This is the signal I just traded. This one in particular. That's the signal I just traded. So I traded it on a shorter time frame. That's what I did. Okay. It's important you understand that everybody, after I finish trading it, the market has already pulled back. Now, a lot of people assume the market is going to continue in their direction. I just quickly took advantage of it, and I was able to, chop the whole thing. Yeah, that's how it works. Now, if you want to subscribe for the signal service, you want to enroll for training, all you have to do is visit my website on the screen, and you can get started. God bless you. I'll see you another time.